your time prosper. O woman of my delight, beloved among creatures, in the most beautiful hour of the day, and in the secret cloak of night, God's talent with his divine carving has forged wonder in you. Ed ecco a ti a lume tu, la lodi vera pogni cori, ecco a ti a l'unichi paroli, casacciu quanto si beda, quanto si beda. With the hands of a sovereign artist, he wove you in the rarest linen from Egypt, and blending, painted with colors of light, your beauty, Raki. My gaze, the alchemy of a joy composed of pure senses and silent lips, O woman of my delight. Marvelous has been the art of the eternal Father, who shaped you with matchless grace. There was never any quarrel, no brawl between me and the Creator, for he adorned your eyes with the brilliance of precious gems, and made your hair flow over your shoulders with bright and vivid copper. And I, at the thought of his work, rejoice and bless his creative love. For in the long journey of sunrises and sunsets live together, I have never ceased to marvel at the light that shines in your eyes. And here is my sigh for you, the true praise for every heart. Here are the only words I know: how beautiful you are. La lodi vera pogni cori, ecco a ti all'unici paroli, casacciu quanto si beda, quanto si beda, quanto si beda.